So, hello everyone. Today we are taking a very important topic, that is Ohm's law. That is Ohm's law. This law is very important for board point of view. A question definitely comes from that. And from this Ohm's law, we will be studying a very important topic, that is resistance. That is resistance, right? So, what does its Ohm's law states? It states that potential difference in a resistor in a circuit is directly proportional to the current flowing through it, right? What does Ohm's law states? That potential difference across a conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. So a very important thing to note is that potential difference. This is the potential difference, right? Across any conductor is directly proportional to the current. These two things is to be noted over here. What does that mean? It means that we will change according to I. We will be change according to I. Suppose in a conductor the value of potential difference is 1, right? The value of potential difference is 1 and the value of current is 2, right? So we have plotted a graph. The value of potential difference is 1 and the current is 2. So this point we could have, right? If the values of V changes from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, right? It changes from 1 to 2. So what we will observe is the value of I will change automatically to 4, because it is directly proportional, right? As the potential difference got doubled, it got 2 times. Similarly, it is also get doubled. If the value of V becomes 3, it will be automatically become 6, right? It got thrice. So this is how it will always have a straight line graph. Because V is directly proportional to I. This is what Ohm's law states, right? Now the point is, when we remove this proportionality, a constant comes into it, that is R. So this R is actually proportionality constant. And it is also named to be resistance, which we are going to study. So what is resistance? Resistance is a hindrance in the flow of current. करंट के बीच में रुकावट पैदा करने वाले को हम क्या बोलते हैं? रेजिस्टेंस. It is denoted by ohms, right? Its unit is ohm and it is said to be ohm, right? So resistance is what? Hindrance in the flow of current, and its unit is ohms, and it is proportionality constant also. So in the next class we will be studying more about it, its characteristics, how does it depends on the things. Let us have an example of it. In a circuit, flow of current is 20 ampere. When potential difference is 2 volts, then calculate resistance. So how we will calculate it? As we already know, the formula of resistance is V is equal to IR. If we have to calculate R from N, then we will put V upon I. So what is V over here? V is 2 volts and I is 20 ampere. So we'll directly put it 2 upon 20 and the value becomes 1 by 10. 1 by 10. Right. So resistance is 1 by 10 ohms. So alright, in next class we'll study more about this resistance.